Jeff Killian for VTC Traders. The time is now 12:13 p.m. I repeat, 12:13 p.m. October 9th, 2024. We're short 3 contracts. YM 1224, near contract month. December 24. Trading Dow Emini Futures today, the overall bias was short until strong institutional came in after the market opening sell-off to the upside, which pushed the prices way up. We are at superior resistance, is laid out by a proprietary level here in red, and we had a major sell-off that came in. It lasted about 5 minutes here for profit taking off of that level, and now we're looking to see if this is going to happen again. The big question is why at 42,770, this approximated 1 minute level here, is because when prices traded down, the intense volume that came in at this point stamps out a upside POC, the largest amount of contracts traded at a certain price and time. That time, again, was exactly 11:57 a.m. Eastern Standard. So it's only natural that the prices would tap out, not here again in most cases, but where the larger contract sizing came in order to push the prices to the downside. So a lot of upside resistance here. In conclusion, prices are trading down. All of our order flow indicators, our proprietary order flow indicators clearly say that we're still clear to stay the trade short. Sell orders coming in on the S side here, here, here. If you can see my pointer, again, here, 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 larger than what's on the upside. What I can't fly in are the VTC delta volume and 50 tick order flow. We don't want to lose that chart along with the 10-second here as well. So let's see where we're at right now, and just maybe we'll get back to that 1 minute level on a downside in time. And if not, whenever we see any weakness pushing the prices at around this level here for a hold, we'll get out. Right now we're up $150 with the best possible entry, only trading 3 contracts. So there's a time decay here on the trade, and we need more sells to come in order to stay this trade or not. I believe it's still possible, or I'd be out of the trade. Obviously, in the last couple of minutes here, the majority of the sell have been to the downside. Let's be patient, people. Let them come to us. Right now, this bar here is still a probe to the downside for the future directional price movement down to the 1 minute level at 427.22. (12:17 p.m. Eastern Standard, 10/9/2024). Sell coming in here, trying to balance it out to the upside, but the back-coded orders are clearly here and with the yellow tip. Few hundred contracts traded short right now would be ideal. Ideal. Another possible out for this trade would be here, here, or more like here. So that's a possibility for those that don't want to hang on to the trade. Up 270, 270, yeah, 255. Order flow on 50 tick and GUM Delta, which you can't see, has 4 cells coming within the last 5 bars based on 50 tick increments. The conviction to stay the trade comes with understanding that it's not about looking at an indicator, for example, and saying, okay, I understand this or I understand that. It's being trained on how to interpret these indicators so they actually, in their own way, they talk to you and they tell you what is happening in the moment, and more likely, high probability wise, greater than 80%, for those of you who've been trading a long time, you know exactly what I'm talking about, that these prices should continue to move to the downside. So there's no reason to get out of the trade just because we're at an odd time of day, 12:19, right? Doesn't matter. 345, only 3 contracts. Imagine doing this 3 or 4 times a day, right? So let's take that off. It's closed. That's it. Now we're going to see about getting back in again if and when we have the right opportunity, which won't be here. It will be down here around this point, a few ticks below the 1 minute level, 42722. That's 42788, maybe. Approximated level here. We'll give that a different color. And this is exactly how you set up leg 2 from leg 1. Leg 1, leg 2 would be here all the way down to a major support level right here, laid out at 42,679. But for now, prices are trading up. I'm going to cut the tape because of time constraints. I hope that all of you have learned something from this. And the most important thing to learn in today's world, at these current times right now, is advanced technical analysis works when you learn how to interpret order flow indicators, when you learn how to interpret what the market is telling you on a daily basis on an end-of-day market call long before you ever walk into real time. For more information on what we have to offer, just go to the website. Everything is there. This is Jeff Killian for the VTC out of 12/21, again on 10/9/2024.